Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can resolve this error that you're seeing on the screen. This PC can't run Windows 11. You get this error when you're trying to install Windows 11 on a virtual machine that is running on Windows Hyper-V Manager. So let me first of all turn this off. So once the virtual machine has been turned off successfully, right click on the virtual machine and go to settings. And in here, you need to go to security and make sure that you tick the enable trusted platform module option. Once you've ticked on that, click apply and click OK. Now bear in mind, in order to get that setting, you need to have a generation 2 virtual machine. So during the process of creating the virtual machine, make sure that you select generation 2 as the type of the virtual machine, and then you will get the option to enable trusted platform module. So now that we have enabled that feature, let me just cancel this out. We will turn on our virtual machine again, and then we will see if it lets us proceed with the installation. I'm going to go next, install now, and I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro and click next. There you go. It lets you proceed and install Windows 11. So guys, this is it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.